When I want to learn more about the real estate investing niche, I typically love listening to podcasts, watching videos, and most importantly, reading books. Today, I've decided to compile a list of a few great real estate investing books that were really eye-opening for me and ones that I would 100% recommend to anyone interested. Hello, my name is Max Monahan. I'm a real estate agent in Portland, Oregon, and let's get right into the first book. Before that though, please be sure to like the video if you're enjoying it so far. It really means a lot, and definitely be sure to subscribe as well if you enjoy personal finance and real estate related content. Anyway, let's get on to the first book, the book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner. The book on rental property investing by Brandon Turner is a great beginner's guide to rental real estate that explains everything you need to know about succeeding with rental investments as a means of generating cash flow. Brandon Turner himself is a real estate entrepreneur and a huge member of the well-known real estate investing website biggerpockets.com. It also outlines the biggest mistakes rental property investors make and how to avoid them. If you're looking for a primer to rental property investing that's suited to beginners, this book can help position you to get ahead. It's packed with simple strategies and actionable tips for creating and maintaining wealth through income-generating rental property investments. I would say this book is perfect for beginner investors looking for somewhere to start. The second book I'm going to talk about here today is Long Distance Real Estate Investing by David Green. One common thing I thought about before reading this book was the huge amount of capital I would need to invest where I live. As I'm sure most of you guys know, living on the West Coast means having extremely high prices relative to America's average for homes, and David Green's book on long-distance real estate investing was a real eye-opener. This book really challenges the myth in real estate that you should only look into investing in your own area. This is a great read for investors who live in an area that's not particularly suited for investing, or for those looking to widen their real estate investments nationwide. Although out-of-state investing is considered risky, author David Green argues that rules, technology, and markets have changed well enough so that you can successfully invest anywhere in the United States as long as you do a few key things correctly. David Green himself is a multimillionaire real estate investor and agent, and currently is also a co-host of the Bigger Pockets Real Estate podcast. Second last book I'm going to talk about here today is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, Rich Dad Poor Dad is an absolute must read for people interested in both personal finance and real estate investing. This book rates as one of the best general reads on investing and personal finance of all time, but there are some key lessons that can be gleaned for real estate investors. It's definitely less specific about strategies and more how to develop a wealth mindset that includes real estate as a focal point. The overarching theme is using real estate to generate passive income so that you're working smarter, not harder, to build a portfolio that produces consistent returns. If you're looking for motivation and inspiration as you ease into real estate investing, this book offers plenty of both. Robert Kiyosaki is the owner of a private financial education company that provides personal finance and business education to people through books and videos. Lastly, I want to talk about Buy, Rehab, Rent, Refinance, Repeat, or BRRRR, as I'll be calling it for the rest of this video, by David Green. His second appearance on this list as my personal favorite book on real estate investing. This book goes into great detail about what I think is the best way to invest in, buy and hold rental real estate, the BRRRR method. David Green perfectly articulates the main points that need to be learned to start your journey to mastery of the BRRRR method. And if you can learn anything from this video, it would be to buy this book. If you're interested in the BRRRR method, I have 2 videos discussing the BRRRR method on this channel, so definitely be sure to check both of those out. Now, with that all being said, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you liked my picks for my favorite real estate investing books. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it. It takes quite a bit of time to make each video, and be sure to subscribe for 2 videos a week on both real estate and personal finance related content. Until next time, bye.